OB1 is a multifunction titanium tool that fits on your keychain. My name is Adam, and I'm one of the founders of Object3. We're a group of 3 people, and we like making objects. And this is the first one we're putting on Kickstarter. When we started designing the OB1 multi-tool, we wanted to create the most useful piece of metal that we could. We didn't want any hinges, we didn't want any fasteners or anything that would come loose, just a single piece of metal. And we spent a lot of time trying to figure out what is most useful on a keychain. We started out and put as many wrenches as we could. There are 7 different sizes of metric wrenches on the OB1. There are also 2 hex keys at the end, 4 and 5 millimeters, and at the back is a spoke wrench for bicycle rims. It also has a sharp edge that can cut packing tape, but it's not sharp enough to cut skin. It also works as a pry tool, and the edges are small flathead screwdrivers for things like eyeglasses. And of course, it works as a bottle opener, because what keychain would be useful without that? As we worked on the OB1, we went through a large amount of prototypes, everything from cardboard cutout to 3D prints, metal 3D prints, to our current titanium cast prototypes, which are actually made by a US-based titanium investment casting company that we've been working with. And investment casting is really cool. You should look it up on our page. Each OB1 tool also comes with a loop of leather which functions as a keychain. Just untie it, put your keys on it, and retie it, which we think is a lot more elegant than a metal loop that always cuts your fingers. We really like our tools. We've been carrying them around the past couple months and have found them useful for everything from building IKEA furniture to opening beers. We think you'll love them too. We need your help to hit our tooling costs so we can get more than 3 of these made, and let's make this real.
Our goal was to create something unique, not a simple keychain for opening bottles, and we created a unique, beautiful thing with thought-out ergonomics and functionality, useful for every day.
But that's not all. There is a secret in this beautiful and seemingly monolithic keychain. It consists of two parts. The upper part is used for opening bottles, and the lower part is a container for all that it can fit and be useful to you at the right moment.
And what will you put here?